Squarespace Staples, the series where we go through all the basics of using your Squarespace website. Okay, so today we are going to go over how to add social links to your Squarespace header. So go ahead and log into your Squarespace website, and then you can go to any page, it doesn't matter, and go edit. And then if you hover over the top, you've got edit site header, and then you're going to say add elements. So here mine is already checked, but if this was unchecked, you would just check this, and then this little box would appear right here. So that is how you add those links in. And then to edit them, you're going to click over here, edit social links, and then connect whichever ones that you want. So it comes preset with these ones, but you can add and then go over here and play around with the design to see however you like it. And you can see that up here, and play around with their size as well. Once you're happy with that and you've connected everything, if you'd like to further customize how this top bar, your header bar looks, you're going to click on Edit Design. And then from here, under Layout, they've got a few preset options, so you can play around and see how you'd like that to look. And then once you're happy, you found one that you like, I'd like to keep it like that. You can also play around with the spacing here, under link spacing and element spacing as well. And then once you're done, you want to hit save and exit. So that's it. Go update your website and let me know in the comments what other things you're interested in learning about Squarespace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.